unresolved. Let's explore Sylvania Button's Secret Island Playhouse. Aragos. Leonardo loves to bob around in the bath and have dolphin float. The amazing dolphin blows bubbles and, uh-oh, he squirts water too. Bath time is fun with Leonardo and her dolphin float. Leonardo bubble bath dolls from Bandai. In a brand new Christmas special, playing in the snow always so much fun. Zack and Quack are planning the perfect celebration. Let's do an ice dance party. See the Zack and Quack Christmas special again today at 3:45 on Nick Junior 2. Catch Christmas episodes every single day. And join Joanna for lots of crafty Christmas makes. Make your own adventure this Christmas with Crafty Christmas after Peppa Pig on Nick Junior 2. Now let's head back to Peppa and George for more adventures in Peppa Pig on Nick Junior 2. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Mr. Zebra the postman is delivering a letter to Peppa's house.
Oh look, someone's got a party invitation.